Welcome to Dawn Divinity. The life you're living right now, the people, situations, and even challenges, is not random. It's a reflection of a powerful universal principle that works whether you're aware of it or not. This principle holds the key to understanding why certain things happen and how you can shape your reality to align with your desires. Let's look into this life-changing truth and uncover how your reality mirrors what's within. The principle of reflection operates on the fundamental idea that the universe mirrors your internal state. This means that everything in your life, the joys, challenges, and even the mundane, are a reflection of what you hold within. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs act as signals that the universe picks up and reflects back as your external reality. When you experience joy, it's often because you've nurtured positivity within yourself. Similarly, if struggles persist, they may point to unresolved emotions or limiting beliefs. One way to grasp this is to think of life as a giant mirror. When you smile into a mirror, it smiles back. When you frown, the reflection does the same. Your reality works in the same way. The energy you emit through your thoughts and emotions dictates what you attract and experience. This principle isn't confined to specific moments but shapes every aspect of your life, from relationships and finances to health and opportunities. For instance, if someone frequently focuses on lack, whether it's lack of money, love, or success, the universe amplifies that focus. The result? More situations arise that reinforce this sense of lack. On the flip side, when you shift your focus to gratitude and abundance, the mirror adjusts, bringing experiences that align with these positive vibrations. Understanding this principle is empowering. It places the control of your reality squarely in your hands. Instead of feeling like a victim of circumstances, you recognize that by changing your internal state, you can influence the external. It's not about ignoring problems but addressing them from a space of awareness and intent. Your thoughts are the architects of your reality. Each thought carries energy, and over time, repeated thoughts solidify into beliefs, which then shape the world you see around you. Consider the phrase, "As you think, so shall you become." This underscores how powerful the mind is in crafting your experiences. For example, if you consistently think about success and envision yourself achieving your goals, your subconscious mind begins to align with that vision. This alignment influences your actions and attracts opportunities that match your expectations. Conversely, negative or self-limiting thoughts act as roadblocks, preventing you from seeing or seizing opportunities that could lead to success. But it's not just about isolated thoughts, patterns matter too. A fleeting moment of doubt won't derail your progress, but habitual negative thinking can. If you're constantly telling yourself, "I can't do this," your mind starts to believe it, and the universe reflects that back by creating situations where you feel stuck or incapable. Recognizing these thought patterns is the first step in reclaiming your power. To reshape your reality, cultivate intentional thinking. Replace limiting thoughts with affirmations of possibility and positivity. Practice gratitude, as it shifts your mental focus from what's lacking to what's abundant. Over time, this conscious redirection of thoughts transforms your external world, bringing it in harmony with your highest aspirations. Emotions are the fuel behind your thoughts. They amplify the energy you emit and determine the intensity of the experiences you attract. While thoughts set the direction, emotions dictate the strength and speed at which manifestations occur. For instance, thinking about abundance while feeling joyful sends a powerful signal to the universe, whereas thinking about abundance while feeling fearful creates mixed signals, leading to delayed or unclear results. Every emotion you feel carries a unique vibration. Higher vibration emotions like love, joy, and gratitude attract positive experiences. In contrast, lower vibration emotions like anger, jealousy, or despair tend to draw situations that perpetuate those feelings. It's not about suppressing negative emotions but understanding and processing them to realign with higher vibrations. To harness the power of emotions, cultivate emotional awareness. Ask yourself throughout the day, how am I feeling right now? If you notice negative emotions dominating, take steps to shift them. This could be through deep breathing, meditation, journaling, or engaging in activities that bring you joy. A small change in your emotional state can lead to significant shifts in what the universe mirrors back to you. Another effective practice is combining emotions with visualization. When you visualize your goals, immerse yourself in the emotions of having already achieved them. Feel the excitement, gratitude, and pride as if your dreams are already a reality. This emotional alignment sends a clear, powerful message to the universe, accelerating the manifestation process. Beliefs act as the lens through which you interpret reality. They shape your expectations and influence how you interact with the world. The challenge is that many of our beliefs are subconscious, formed during childhood or through repeated experiences. Some beliefs empower us, while others limit our potential. For instance, if you hold the belief that money is hard to earn, you'll likely encounter financial struggles, no matter how hard you work. This is because your subconscious mind seeks to validate your belief by creating situations that align with it. On the other hand, a belief in abundance opens your mind to opportunities and solutions you might otherwise overlook. Changing limiting beliefs starts with awareness. Identify the beliefs that no longer serve you by paying attention to recurring patterns in your life. Are you constantly struggling in relationships? Perhaps you believe you're unworthy of love. Are career advancements eluding you? Maybe you think success is reserved for others. Once you've identified a limiting belief, challenge it. Replace it with a new, empowering belief that aligns with the reality you want to create. For example, shift "I'm not good enough" to "I am capable and deserving of success." Reinforce this belief through affirmations, visualization, and consistent action. Over time, as the new belief takes root, the universe will reflect it in the form of aligned opportunities and experiences. While thoughts, emotions, and beliefs lay the foundation, action is what brings manifestations to life. Action demonstrates your commitment to your goals and creates a tangible path for the universe to deliver results. Not all actions are created equal. Inspired actions, those aligned with your desires and energy, are the ones that yield the best outcomes. For example, if you desire a fulfilling career, it's not enough to visualize it, you must also take steps toward it, such as networking, acquiring skills, or applying for roles that resonate with you. These actions, combined with positive energy, create momentum and signal to the universe that you're ready to receive. It's important to note that fear-based or forced actions can backfire. Taking action from a place of desperation or anxiety often leads to burnout or results that don't align with your desires. Trust that the universe will guide you to the right actions at the right time. Listen to your intuition, it often provides subtle nudges or ideas that align perfectly with your goals. Celebrate progress, no matter how small. Each step forward reinforces your belief in your ability to create the reality you desire. As you align your actions with your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, the universe mirrors your efforts by presenting opportunities and synchronicities that move you closer to your dreams. Life's challenges often feel repetitive because they're teaching you something. The universe mirrors unresolved patterns until you address them. If you find yourself in a loop, be it unhealthy relationships, financial struggles, or self-doubt, it's a sign to look inward. Ask yourself, what is this situation trying to show me? Once you identify the lesson and act accordingly, the pattern breaks, and the mirror reflects a new reality. Growth happens when you recognize these reflections as opportunities for transformation. Gratitude shifts the energy of your mirror instantly. When you appreciate what you already have, you align yourself with abundance. The universe responds by reflecting more of what you're grateful for. Even in tough times, there's always something to appreciate. By focusing on those positives, you raise your vibration and attract more reasons to feel thankful. Gratitude isn't just a mindset, it's an energetic state that transforms the mirror of your reality. The people in your life are some of the clearest mirrors of your inner state. Relationships reflect your self-esteem, boundaries, and beliefs about love. If you consistently encounter conflict or neglect, it's worth examining your own energy and expectations. When you shift your inner world, whether through self-love, forgiveness, or improved boundaries, your relationships change, too. The universe mirrors your personal growth by bringing healthier, more supportive connections into your life. Visualization is a powerful way to reshape the mirror of your reality. By vividly imagining the life you want, you create a mental blueprint that the universe mirrors. The more detailed and emotionally charged your visualization, the stronger the reflection. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your ideal life. See it, feel it, and believe it's already yours. This practice not only clarifies your desires but also aligns your energy with what you want to manifest. The universe works in its own timing. Sometimes, the reflection you seek doesn't appear immediately, but that doesn't mean it isn't coming. Trust that the mirror is adjusting to match your energy and that every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Patience and faith keep your vibration high and prevent doubts from clouding the mirror. Trust the process, and let the universe work its magic. Your reality is constantly evolving to reflect your inner growth. The principle of reflection is your greatest ally in shaping your reality. By mastering your thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and actions, you can create a life that mirrors your deepest desires. If this resonated with you, like and subscribe for more insights to help you harness your full potential. Your journey to transformation begins now.